All right, guys, we are here. This is the first event on the schedule this year, so I'm calling it the first official truck and tractor pull of the season here for the Appalachian Outlaws. And we're heading across the track right now. We just went through the pits and checked out some of the truck and tractors that are coming to test here tonight. So the thing with this event is it's $25. You can hook your truck 3 times, or tractor, I'm sorry. So I don't know how many guys will end up hooking 3 times. I think you're going to see a lot of people just make one test hit and load up and get ready, for the season. So should be a lot of fun. So up next we have Jim Matthews with the Plum Crazy truck. This was a small block street truck, and now he's coming out on the track to make his maiden voyage in the HO class, the high output class. So we'll see what happens. This is another small block high output truck here. This is High Noon Jim Basinger. So this is another truck. This is another truck. He came out early, or I want to say late last season, and actually got a couple wins on the Appalachian Outlaws pulling circuit. So let's see what he can do here. First run of the 2023 season. Should be interesting. First run of the 2023 season, multiple wins in 2022. One of the top running trucks. This is one of the trucks everybody's here to see tonight. Charlene Schilling, the Schilling family with disorderly conduct. Big block, high output truck. Literally an hour and a half has passed. We've taken a break from trucks and we're doing some tractor pulling action here. This is actually a new class for the Appalachian Outlaws pulling series this year, the Outlaw Farm Tractor Division. So this is Chris Bencotti hooking up to the sled right now. Good looking international. And he's one of the top running tractors in the division here. So pretty awesome that we're adding tractors into the mix here for the Appalachian Outlaws this year. And yeah. good run. That was awesome, dude. I got the wheelie from the back. That was sick. Alright guys, we're going to get into the street diesel class, and then we're doing the hot rod diesels afterwards, and that kind of wraps up the classes for the first flight here. Every truck can run 3 times. They're going to run all the classes 3 times. This should be a pretty good show here. A lot of the top running street diesel trucks in the area are out, and then all the hot rod diesel guys showed up. A lot of the guys in that class showed up here tonight, so should be a good time, man. So I just got home. It's like 1 in the morning. I'm starting to edit this video, and I realized I literally didn't record any like outro segment at the show or anything like that. It was a pretty awesome night. Lots of awesome stuff went down. Lots of new trucks coming out, testing, seeing what they have for the pulling track. All the work's been done in the shop for everybody over the winter, and now it's time to get out there and compete. We're 1 week away from the first points event. Not all the classes are going to be there, but it is our first official event, guys. Cookport Fairgrounds, Commodore, Pennsylvania, the Cookport Clash. You guys got to check this event out. If you're a fan of truck and tractor pulling, we'll exceed your expectations and then some. This is going to be a great event. We are working really hard on advertising, trying to get as many fans in the door as possible. So if you're watching this, please come out. If you're in the area, come out. Bring the whole family. It's going to be an awesome time. So I just panned the flyer over the screen. If you didn't get all the information you need, you can go to AppalachianOutlawsPulling.com or visit our Facebook page or Instagram page at Appalachian Outlaws Pulling. So gonna be an awesome time, guys. This season's kicking off. We're gonna bring you guys along with us. We have the Appalachian Outlaws TV show airing. It's gonna cover all of our points events. We have the vlog series here that you're watching now. We have the podcasts. We have all these different projects coming out this year that I'm really excited about. So subscribe, don't miss a thing, and we'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.